welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix WhatsApp call error, unstable connection, try a new location on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the problem while making a WhatsApp call and you are seeing the error, unstable connection, try a new location, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is you can check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, because maximum this error comes when you are in a poor network coverage area. So the better option is you can move to some other location and check the network coverage area, and you can try making a WhatsApp call. After doing this, hope it may fix, or else you can just enable your flight mode and disable it again. After doing this, your network will be restarted. You can check. After doing this, you can check your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then tap on the Play Store, then search for WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, you have to check another settings in your WhatsApp. Just tap to open your WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, just tap on this three dot and tap on settings. Scroll down, here you will find storage and data. Tap on this. In this, under network usage, you will find use less data for calls. This option is enabled. You have to just disable this option. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp call error, unstable connection, try a new location error on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.